Motherhood doesn't come with sick days, but neither does being a solo caretaker for your mother. This is how we get through the big days. Good morning. We are going to see my mom's doctor. We're done showering. I'm going to sit down and do some journaling, and I always write letters to my daughter every second day. I'm going to take you guys with me for the very first time. Honestly, watching your parent need you while your own child also needs you, it rewires how you think about time. You stop assuming there's always more of it. You just end up, trying to make the best out of each day and just trying to be there in that moment. And the hardest part isn't even the appointments or the errands. It's the carrying 3 people's needs in your head all at once, all day long, all night long. Most mornings, I see my daughter's bottles alongside my mom's medical paperwork. And honestly, sometimes I ask myself, now, what do I do first? At the end of it all, you have to make a decision. And sometimes these are the hard decisions. I was talking to my mother the other day and I told her, do you know that life really changes in a way that back then you used to be the one to wake up so early, make sure things are ready. But right now, it is me that does that. And while it is exhausting, honestly, being an adult, not a simple task, but we thank God, honestly. Caretaking has me like, oh my God, I'm extremely exhausted, and like, oh my God, I thank God I can take care of her, That is what caretaking does to me. And naturally, I'm not really a complainer. I'm not really a complainer, and sometimes it is not good because then I end up doing a lot of things myself. Bottles are from Dentista. We love them. Madame also loves them. These are the little things that really get me excited these days. Finding something and I'm like, oh wow, finally. And like, something that makes my day-to-day life as a mother, day-to-day life as a caretaker easy. Those are the things that really excite me. I think the hardest part about this season isn't even the physical exhaustion. It's the way your identity just shifts overnight. One day you're navigating the world as an individual, you're navigating the discourse, the outfits, and the next day you are the primary anchor for 2 completely different generations. There are moments when I'm sitting in the hospital hallways or standing in the kitchen at 5 a.m. where I have to remind myself that I actually still exist outside of being a mother and a caregiver. It's easy, honestly. It's so easy to let your own needs, your own dreams, and even your own name get lost in the shuffle of appointments and whatever. But right now, I'm so glad that I'm at least taking this up again. Honestly, I'm learning that my journey matters too as a person. As African women, African mothers, we're actually taught to give until you can't give no more. So my goal, my duty for myself right now is to make sure that I matter. Yes, that I matter too, because at the end of it all, my daughter needs a healthy mother, my mother needs a healthy daughter so that I can actually be able to take care of her. And yeah, that's the reality. It is again our reality. It's not the best, it's not perfect, but that is our reality. So finally we were done, we're going home. And honestly, I know I'm not the only one feeling the weight of this sandwich generation. It's heavy, it's beautiful, and it's a lot to carry along. If this resonates with you, if you are also navigating the juggle of taking care of a parent, of a loved one, I'd love for you to join my community, subscribe to us. Let's take this journey together. You're not alone. Most importantly, Psalms 23, the Lord is our shepherd. He gives us the energy to do it all, and we can do it all through Christ. Right? We also went to TK Maxx. We also passed by Lidl to grab some quick stuff, some cheese, some butter. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for coming. See you in the next one. Goodbye. God bless you.